Hello, and welcome to Keep Me Certified's 1 credit hour legal update course. This covers the recent legal matters requirement, which we'll talk about in just a moment. Before we do, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Jeff Weiss. I'm the founder of Keep Me Certified. I am one of the instructors here, and in this course today, I am very pleased to be seated next to attorney Kyle Smith. Kyle, can you give us a little bit of background?
Sure. So I've seen both aspects of the closing table from both the salesperson side and the attorney side before now helping people from the legal capacity of buying and selling, leasing real estate. I used to be an agent myself and helped people to then buy and sell real estate, but from the agent's perspective. So glad to be joining you today, Jeff.
So in this course, we're going to be talking about new statutes, new laws, updates, things that have changed in recent past. And that is why we have attorney Kyle Smith here to help us translate the law into more plain English. And I'm really thrilled to be here with you, Kyle. We've sat through a number of courses, both in New York and other states, and we filmed some great content. So if this is your first course with us, welcome. If this is your last or otherwise course with us, we hope you've enjoyed our other courses. In this course today, we're going to be discussing four main themes. One is on important updates as it relates to landlord-tenant relationships and the legality around security deposits, application fees, etc. We're going to be discussing fair housing. We'll talk about teams, advertising updates, unlicensed assistants. But before we do all of that, I want to do a quick rundown of the current real estate continuing ed requirements. A lot of students reach out to us saying, oh, do you have all the requirements? What are the requirements? Here's what they are. So July 1st, 2021, we are obviously long past that date, so these rules apply to you. And I'm going to read just to make sure I have everything correctly. So the current renewal requirements for actively licensed real estate professionals in New York requires that within the 22.5 credit hours includes 3 hours of fair housing, 1 hour of agency, or 2 if it's your first renewal cycle, at least 2.5 hours of ethical business practices, which here at Keep Me Certified, we have a code of ethics course that satisfies that requirement. And also 1 hour of recent legal matters, which is this course. Welcome. So also, notably, if you had your license previously before July 1st, 2021, if you had it for longer than 15 years, you were grandfathered and you no longer had to complete continuing ed. Now that we are past July 1st, 2021, you are now required to complete continuing ed. If you're watching this course, you probably already know that. But if you have friends that have been previously grandfathered, you want to make sure that they are aware that they are no longer grandfathered and that they should come renew their license. Hopefully they should renew their license by completing their continuing ed here at Keep Me Certified. So without further ado, let's jump right into the course. Look forward to having you. We are going to cover the topics I just mentioned, followed by a short survey and quick assessment. And then you'll have your certificate, and we will see you in another one of our courses hopefully soon.